I took my family to court and watched them collapse. The courtroom was packed, not because I sued strangers, but because I sued my own parents and my brother. I stood there as the plaintiff, calm, still. They sat across from me playing victims. The judge looked straight at me. State your case. I said, Your Honor, these people lived in my house, lived off my money, invaded my space, and then tried to throw me out. My brother smirked. Big mistake. The judge snapped his head toward him. Is something funny to you? Silence. I laid it all out. My house, my mortgage, my bills, my 60-hour work weeks while they slept in. Then I dropped the first bomb. They moved into my home temporarily, then removed me from my own master bedroom without asking. The judge turned slowly toward my parents. You moved her belongings? My father shrugged. It was just a room. The judge slammed his pen down. It was her room in her house. Answer properly. My mother tried to interrupt. She's overreacting. The judge cut her off instantly. You do not speak unless addressed? Then my brother opened his mouth. She's useless. All she does is work. The only thing she's good for is money. The courtroom audibly gasped. The judge leaned forward. You called the homeowner useless, while living entirely off her income? My brother's face drained of color. I submitted the evidence. Bank statements, utility bills, food expenses, $61,000, 1 year. The judge read quietly, then looked up, eyes cold. So you drained her finances, occupied her home, displaced her from her bedroom, and then attempted to remove her? No one answered. The judge turned to my parents. You laughed while your daughter was insulted? My mother whispered. We didn't mean it. The judge's voice hardened. You meant it enough to enjoy it. Then I delivered the final blow. They told me in my own living room that they were kicking me out of the house I legally own. The judge stood. That is unlawful removal. That is financial abuse. That is entitlement masquerading as family. Verdict. The defendants are tenants at best. They violated boundaries. They abused access. They are evicted effective immediately. My brother panicked. You can't do this. The judge stared him down. I just did. Court officers escorted them out. My brother turned back furious. You'll regret this. The judge answered before I could. No. You will. Court adjourned. 2 months later, reality finished the job. My parents work full-time now. My brother disappeared. And me? I sleep peacefully. In my house. In my bed. With silence where parasites used to live. This wasn't revenge. This was judgment. And finally, I won.